Hello friends, today I'll be showing you some of my weird seedlings of Astrophytum mariostigmas. So they are very different from a normal mariostigma. They have beautiful ribs and beautiful markings on the body. And this is the one. They are all seedlings, about 2.5 to 3 years of age. And this one is a beautiful one. I like this one. It'll turn out to be a beautiful specimen. This is quite wrinkly. The stem is quite wrinkly. It is many branched structure. This one has beautiful ribs that are found present with these wrinkles in between. All mariostigmas. This is super wrinkly. They have beautiful marking on the body, very nice. They are quite captivating and they show. This is a multi-headed one. This is also quite different from the normal mariostigma. Actually, Astrophytum as a genus shows a lot of variation in its genetics. So there are many crosses and many variants, many subspecies and varieties and cultivars that are there, and hence they are prized possessions. So these are few of them. This is the one. This is also quite wrinkly, showing beautiful green stem and some wrinkles between. It's beautiful. This is again a V mark type of a asteris. This is an asteris. This also shows many genetic variation in the generations to come. So it all depends upon selective breeding and growing them. Some of them are accepted by nature, so they survive. Some of them obviously are discarded by nature, so they appear not to be, very hardy, so they die during the process of germination or during the seedling stage. These are again some of the V marks that are there. Beautiful speckled dotted structures on the body. This is very prominent, having beautiful marks, and these are the things that are usually liked by the collectors. They are all cultivars, just a result of inbreeding. So these are some of the seedlings that I wanted to share with you. I like them. They are very different from the normal ones. Thank you so much for watching. Bye from the Cactus House.